Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic: could not load file or assembly, error when trying to load PnPTagRebuilder.dll in AutoCAD Plant 3D. Let's get started. Causes: PnPTagRebuilder.dll file is not copied in a AutoCAD Plant 3D trusted location. Downloaded PnPTagRebuilder.dll file is getting blocked by antivirus or Windows Defender. Wrong version of PnPTagRebuilder.dll file is downloaded for AutoCAD Plant 3D. PnPTagRebuilder.dll file is copied on a network drive path LAN. To resolve this, follow these steps. Add PnPTagRebuilder.dll file to exception in antivirus or Windows Defender. Now, open AutoCAD Plant 3D. Open blank drawing by clicking on plus icon next to the Start tab. Type Options command in the command line. Once the Options dialog box opens, switch to Files tab. Look for Trusted Location directory. Check the paths mentioned in the trusted location. Copy the downloaded PnPTagRebuilder.dll file to any of the trusted location mentioned in AutoCAD Plant 3D. Check out our dedicated video on downloading and loading PnPTagRebuilder.dll files. Link is in the I button. Go to AutoCAD Plant 3D trusted location path or network drive path where the files is located. Administrator rights is needed to perform these steps. Right-click on the PnPTagRebuilder.dll file. Select Properties from context menu. Under the General tab, check on Unblock. Now, this time PnPTagRebuilder.dll file should load by NETLOAD command. Still not loading? Go to C drive, Program Files, Autodesk, AutoCAD version, folder. It depends which version you have installed. Mine is AutoCAD 2024. Look for acad.exe.config file. Copy the file to your desktop or any preferred location where you have permission to edit the files. Open the file in Notepad. Type or copy-paste this script in acad.exe.config file as shown in video. Script is provided in the description notes section. Save the file. Administrator rights is needed to perform these steps. Copy the acad.exe.config file from desktop or your saved location and replace it into C drive, Program Files, Autodesk, AutoCAD version, folder. Replace the existing acad.exe.config file in the folder. Click Continue to provide administrator permission to replace the file. Restart AutoCAD Plant 3D. Try to load the PnPTagRebuilder.dll file again. It will load successfully. Today's tip: adding provided script in acad.exe.config file may increase the possibility of loading and executing malicious code. So be cautious while loading any DLL file which is not downloaded from trusted source. Use at your own risk. That's all for today's episode.